Hey guys, it's Chris. Since the live today, I've received a ton of stuff on state to state and information on how to handle it and some resources for you. I'm going to share some clips from a case in California, and these are of the boy who was abused, and he did a video when he was younger and a video when he was older, and I'm going to give you those clips. Thanks.
And when I was 6 years old, I told my mom, my brothers, CPS, the police, a forensic interviewer, and a psychologist, and my attorney, that my father, Eric Moelter, was sexually abusing me.
Damon. I was just making this video to inform all of you of the clear and present danger that I am in right now, actually.
But San Diego family court judge Michael Smith said, that was not enough evidence to protect me and forced me to live with my father half time. The abuse got worse and worse. I was having trauma symptoms like night sweats, night terrors, fear of the dark, and anxiety. So my mother took my brothers and me into hiding.
The court took me away from my mom. And in my case, the court is giving me back to my father. And this father happens to be one that sexually abused me and then threatened to kill me. And you don't even want to know what else he did.
After 3 years in hiding, a new judge, Judge Lorna Hoxney, promised she would listen to me if we came out of hiding. But it was just a trick to get us back to San Diego.
And guess who I'm with? Him. It boggles my mind.
She didn't listen, even though, I told 3 psychologists, my court-appointed attorney, another forensic interviewer, and Judge Alksney herself in her chambers.
The court is not telling me the truth.
But instead of protecting me, she took my brothers and me away from my mother and sent us to a reunification therapist who tried to convince us my father never actually abused me.
My lawyers are lying to me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The whole thing is screwed up.
My brothers bought into that line a bit more, but I didn't really. So she suggested that I even get sent to one of these camps where, they torture children into recanting abuse.
The lawyers are not fighting for me.
So I ran away by myself, went into hiding for almost 2 years, staying with protective mothers all over California.
The judge doesn't give a hoot about how I'm doing.
I got pro bono attorneys to help me file my own cases in different courts for a restraining order. I tried to get emancipated. Tried to file for custody to my mother, myself actually. And anyway, those were all denied.
And no one does. No one. I don't have anyone for me except for my mother.
But I found out that if I got married on paper, I would be emancipated without the need for a judge's signature. So I got married on paper in Nevada, where only one parent's signature was necessary to get married. So then I was, finally free of family court and safe from my abuser. So I went back home to my mom and to high school.